Looking to build a career in the exciting world of aviation? A BBA in Aviation Management might just be the perfect ticket for you. Let's dive into what makes this program a standout choice. First, let's talk about the industry potential. Did you know India is on track to become the third largest aviation market by 2025? With airports and airlines expanding rapidly, the demand for skilled aviation managers is soaring. This degree isn't your average BBA, it's specialized. You'll learn about aviation marketing and sales, the backbone of airline profitability; airport operations, managing the hustle and bustle of terminals; air cargo logistics, an essential in today's global trade. And that's just the beginning. Career opportunities. So, what's waiting for you on the other side? With this degree, you can land roles like Airport Operations Manager, Airline Marketing Executive, Cargo Manager, or even become an aviation consultant. And the pay? Freshers can expect starting salaries between 3,50,000 rupee to 7 lakhs rupee per annum, depending on your role and the company. Pretty great for a field that's growing every day, right? Top colleges in India. Now, let's talk about where you can study. India has some excellent colleges offering this program, like Jain University in Bangalore, UPES in Dehradun, Hindustan Institute in Chennai. These colleges don't just teach you, they connect you with the industry through internships, case studies, and strong placement support. Hiring companies. Wondering who hires BBA aviation graduates? Think Lufthansa, Emirates, Qatar Airways, and even big players like the GMR Group and Indigo. These companies actively seek out skilled professionals for managerial roles in airport operations, marketing, and logistics. Admissions and scholarships. Getting in is pretty straightforward. Most colleges require you to have completed 10th plus 2 in any stream with at least 50% marks. And don't worry about finances, there are scholarships. You've got merit-based scholarships for academic achievers, special grants for women in aviation, encouraging more diversity in the field. So, no more waiting. Visit sulekha.com to know all the top colleges, compare their fees, go through reviews, and start your flying career today. Your dream career in the air is just one click away. Click the link in the description to get started.